Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today in this video we will see how to write a Python program to find count of all digits of a given number. For example, this is the given number 34676. Now we need to find how many number of digits in that given number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the count of this given number is 5. In this way we need to get the output. Now we will see the code. First we will write the code and later on we will explain. These are very basic programs. By moving further, we will see more complex programs. So please subscribe to my channel for more interesting coding videos. I'm doing all these programming videos to help the beginners to learn Python program easily. So please support me guys. Yeah, we are done. Now we need to save the file. Click File, click on Save As. Now we need to give file name. File name .py. We need to save the Python file with the extension .py. So file name .py. Now click on save. Yeah, file is saved. You can see over here. And we need to execute this program by using command prompt. So we need to open command prompt. So click here. CMD to open command prompt. Now we need to give path. CD space desktop enter. Now open dictionary dir. Now file name dot with the extension py, enter. Now give any number, like suppose I will give like this, enter. The count of the number is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once again we will see the output. File name with the extension .py, enter. Now we will give like this. See, we are getting 2 as the count. We will copy this output. Yeah, we are done. Now we will see the code. This is the code and this is the output. We will see the code line by line. This line of code is used to enter a number by the user. And count equal to 0, we have to initialize the count value as 0. Now while n not equal to 0, if this statement is true, then it will enter the loop. Now count equal to count plus 1. N, float division 10. Float division of a number, it will give coefficient. So given number float division by 10, the output is saved in n, and at last it will print the count. First n value not equal to 0. For suppose we have given 35 as a number. So 35 not equal to 0. The statement is true. So it will enter the loop. Now it will count. Count plus 1. Initial value of count is 0. Now it will count by 1 and it will do 35 floor division by 10. Now the output is stored in n. Again it will go until this statement becomes false. If the statements become false, it will execute the loop. After exiting the loop, it will print the count. This is the output 34652 is a given number. Then the count of this number is 5. In this way, we need to find the count of all digits of a given number. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions regarding this code, please comment down below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding.